Welcome back to AMA AI Tech. Today, we're exploring Easy-Peasy.AI, a creative and super simple AI writing tool that's transforming content creation. Whether you're a marketer, small business owner, or freelancer, this platform aims to make writing tasks faster and more enjoyable. In this review, we'll guide you through its standout features, showcase real examples, and highlight the latest updates that set it apart. Let's jump in and see how Easy-Peasy.AI can simplify your workflow. Easy-Peasy.AI streamlines content creation for a variety of users. Marketers can craft campaigns, small business owners can manage communications, and freelancers can handle multiple projects with ease. The platform's smart automation, intuitive tools, and ready-made templates help you generate everything from emails and product descriptions to engaging social media posts in just a few clicks. Its user-friendly interface means anyone can produce polished, professional content quickly, focusing more on creativity and less on technical details. Next, let's explore the features that make all of this possible. With over 80 templates for marketing, creative writing, and everyday business tasks, Easy-Peasy.AI makes it simple to get started. The platform offers both AI voice and text tools, allowing you to generate written content or create voiceovers effortlessly. You can personalize the tone of your writing to match your brand or personality, and the flexible pricing plans, including a free tier, make it accessible for individuals, small teams, and growing businesses. These features work together to make content creation faster, easier, and tailored to your needs. Now let's highlight some of the latest enhancements that push Easy-Peasy.AI even further. Recent updates have made Easy-Peasy.AI even more powerful. The introduction of Grok 4 fast models means you get ultra-quick AI responses for everything from reasoning to code generation. Perplexity. Sonar integration brings real-time web search into your workflow, providing up-to-date information, source links, and visual results. Advanced image and video tools, like Seedream 4.0 and Talking Avatar videos, enable you to create dynamic visuals and content in over 40 languages. Plus, seamless WordPress chatbot integration lets you offer instant support and engagement on your website. Let's see how these features work together in a practical example. Let's see Easy-Peasy.AI in action. I'll enter the prompt, launch post for my new AI course. Instantly, the platform generates 3 distinct versions, each with a unique tone: professional, upbeat, and concise. This range makes it easy to choose the perfect message for your audience, whether you're posting on LinkedIn, Twitter, or your website. The clean interface allows you to quickly review, edit, or copy your favorite version, so you can share polished content in moments. It's a simple way to save time and boost creativity. Now, let's wrap up with why Easy-Peasy.AI stands out. Easy-Peasy. AI's combination of user-friendly design and robust features makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to streamline their content creation. With a rich selection of templates, advanced AI models, and tools for voice, text, and video, it supports a wide range of creative and business needs. The flexible pricing, including a free tier and affordable paid plans starting at just $4.99 per month, ensures accessibility for individuals, small businesses, and teams. If you're interested in enhancing your productivity with AI, Easy-Peasy.AI is definitely worth exploring. If you'd like to try Easy-Peasy.AI, use the affiliate link below and start creating your content faster today. For more updates on the latest AI tools, stay tuned to AMA AI Tech.